Hey, what's up guys? Archie Cole here from Chilli Pro Scooters. Is your wheel looking a bit funny, maybe sounding a little bit worse for wear? Well, we've got you covered because today I'm going to be teaching you how to change your scooter wheel on your Pro Scooter. So let's get right into it. All we're going to need to fulfill this task today is a 6mm Allen key, because the majority of scooters nowadays are using 6mm heads on their axles. We're also going to need a 13mm socket, spanner, ratchet, anything like that to undo the bolt on the other side. We have got a skate tool here today which incorporates a 13mm on it. So there are two tools, and last but not least, all you're going to need is the brand new wheels. I'm going to be putting these white on black spoke core wheels on my scooter today. So let's get right into it, guys. And that, guys, is how you change your scooter wheel. We have gone from the black on black polycore wheels to the white on black spoke cores. I hope this has been a helpful video for you guys. And if you want to see more like this, make sure you follow all of our social medias, all of our channels, and comment down below what you need help with or what you'd like to see. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.